Hey, this is Praveen from Automation Studio. So within this video, we are going to cover Eclipse installation on Mac. So here is the blog what I have written with the steps and a screenshot. I'm gonna provide this blog link within the description box, and we are going to cover this blog demo within this video. So let's start. Okay, so now open the browser and then go to google.com and then type here download Eclipse for Mac and hit enter. Then click on the first link, which is from the official site of Eclipse. Click on download 64-bit button and then click on download, and then the downloadation will be getting started. So the download is completed and we can find here within the finder. So within the form of the zip file, let's extract it. So the file is got extracted and we got the file in the form of installer. Now we are going to open it. So just click on the open button. So it's opening the Eclipse installer, and this installer will provide the different version of Eclipse in order to download in your Mac machine. So here is the installer. It's getting loaded. So you are able to see like here the different versions of Eclipse is available to download. But we are interested in the first option, which is Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Just click. Now here it is showing the installation folder. So just click on this folder icon, and from here you can choose your custom path. So I will click on document, then new folder button, and I will create a new folder called Eclipse_Oxygen. And within that, and then I will click on create button, so the new folder will get created, and I will choose it, open. Now click on install. Here is the user agreement, just accept it, and then the installation process will get started. Okay, so the downloadation is finished, so it will take some time, so you have to wait for till this launch button will get appear. Click on the launch button, so it will launch the Eclipse in your machine. So it will take some time to launch first time. So have patience by the time. Here is the Eclipse launcher window for selecting the workspace. So just click on that button, and you can select your folder wherever you want to choose your workspace folder. So I am creating with the name of automation-workspace within the documents folder. So I will create this folder and I will click on the open button. So here will be my workspace folder. So within the workspace I am going to create each and every project. Click on create and click on open. Now click on launch. So it will launch Eclipse. Okay, so here is the welcome window. Just close it and just close unnecessary windows. Okay, just click on the perspective view on right corner and just select the Java perspective view. Make sure it should be Java because we are going to work on Java. Just click on open, and we are now going to create one sample project, and we will create one class in that. So file or new and Java project, just say sample and click on finish. So the sample project will get created, and within that just expand the node of project and right click on src and just click on new and class and create a new class with any name and click on finish. And within that class we are going to include public static void main function with print statement so that we can run this class, and by printing a statement we can certify that our Eclipse is working fine with Java program. So I'm going to write here static public static void main So here's a shortcut for that, and I will say hello world. Okay. Now I will right click on this file and run as Java application. So here is the program. So here is the demo of how to install Eclipse in Mac machine. So I hope this will help you for the installing of Eclipse in the Mac machine. So please follow my tutorial as well as blog in order to set up Eclipse on Mac. If it is helpful for you, so please subscribe, and thank you for watching.